Good evening, Miss Quispe and classmates. My name is Elvis. On the occasion, I am going to talk about my trip to Cusco and Sinti rich in history and culture. During my trip, I learned a lot about its tradition, festivity, and the hospitality of its people. It was a terrific experience where I learned customs and histories that you don't find in books. I also overcame altitude sickness. The cultural diversity of Cusco is reflected in its festival, music, dance, art, and food. One of the most important festival in Cusco in the Inti Raymi or Festival of the Sun. It is celebrated in June at week before the central day of the festival. Various dance and are performed daily as part of competition in the central square. About its gastronomy, the typical this case include cuy and the chiri churi, which are delicious, but eating a mazamorra de níspero in the central square is even better. My migration in Cusco occurs in the direction. My migration to Cusco, many people from rural areas move to the city in the shares of economic opportunities, mainly in tourism and commerce. There is also internal migration within Cusco, where people from Raymond communities go to urban areas in search of better educational and health care service. Migration from Cusco, some Cusco residents migrate to other city in the country or abroad in search of better jobs and educational opportunities, especially to Lima and other countries. Tourism has also generated the arrival of foreigners. Some and you of June has decided to sell it in Cusco due to the business opportunities in the tourism sector. This has created a cultural exchange, a fusion of tradition in Cusco daily life. Visiting Visiting Cusco for 7 days was one of the best decisions of my life. I visited many places such as the Adobe of the Ghats, the Sacred Valley, Aguascalientes Town, Urmantay Lake, and Rainbow Mountain. The way of life in Cusco is different from other big cities due to its cultures, history, and mysticism. The colonial and Inca architecture of places like Sacsayhuaman and Machu Picchu allow me to better understand the city history and the some of the stories told by the guys. Among the sickness, I like the most were interacting with the locals, learning a few words in Quechua, and connecting with custom and nature. In fact, during my visit to Cusco, I participated of the Inti Raymi festival and visited Kenco. It allowed me to connect with nature in a very special way. Question: Did I strengthen with the cultural diversity in Cusco? Of course, I was able to participate in Inti Raymi festival. Which story did I like the most? I like the story about the tunnels that contains of the historical center of the city. Conclusion: my trip to Cusco allowed me to appreciate cultural diversity, learn new costumes, and appreciate other ways of the life. It was unique experience. Thanks a lot.